Hey Riley, can you tell me who sneezes?
Grandpa.
Grandpa sneezes. Who else sneezes?
Grandma.
Grandma sneezes. Who else?
And Julia.
Aunt Julia sneezes. Who else sneezes? Who else sneezes? Does Hannah sneeze?
Heaven.
Kevin? Kevin sneezes? Can you sing the Everybody's Got to Sneeze song?
Daddy.
Daddy, yep.
Daddy sneezes.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy sneezes. Barb sneezes.
Who else?
Bacon sneezes.
Yeah, who else?
Everybody's got to sneeze. Got to sneeze. Got to sneeze. Everybody's got to sneeze. Sneezes every day.
Yeah, everybody's got to sneeze every day, huh? And what do we say? What do you say when somebody sneezes?
Daddy goes like a whistle.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yep, that's all you gotta say, right?
Daddy all gonna say.
And then it's all done, right?
We're all done with the sneeze.
Very good. It's very good, Riley. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.